Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Courtney Ryan, and in this video, I'm going to be telling you 5 things that girls want but will never tell you. So the reason that girls will not tell you that they want these things is because they want you to be a mind reader. You should already know everything we want all the time, right? Absolutely not. As a woman, trust me, I know how we're wired. These are just things that all women want, but they will literally never ask you for. So here I am today to spill all the secrets to you. Pay close attention. Number 1, they want you to listen without them having to ask you. So listening and then paying attention. I think these are things that are so easy not to do. I know I say all the time that in a world full of so many distractions, be the guy that listens, be the guy that is attentive to detail. These will make you stand out. So this includes remembering things that are important to her. Birthdays, anniversaries. If you have ever forgotten her birthday or her anniversary, my thoughts are with you. This could be surprising her with something that she mentioned before that maybe she forgot about. I know I've said this before, but this will get you major brownie points. For example, you're in a store, she says she likes something and just lets it go, just says it really quick in passing. And then a week later, you show up with that thing that she mentioned that she liked. Major brownie points here, guys. I'm not kidding. It is the little things. I know everyone says that, but sometimes it really is the little things that mean the most. This could be asking her how her day was and actually listening to her answer instead of just assuming she's gonna say it was good. If she had a bad day, listen to her. And she should be doing this for you as well. But I think women are a lot more emotional, and sometimes we do these things a lot more naturally than guys do. I obviously am not speaking for every woman or every guy out there. Everyone is different, of course. But these are just things that are really nice when a man does it, and we don't want to have to ask for them. So listening when she's venting to you about something, it doesn't always necessarily mean coming up with a solution. I know that is the logical thing to do, but sometimes I think we really just need someone to listen to us and know that someone is there for us. So the biggest takeaways from this one are to actually listen to what she is saying, pay close attention to detail, be a guy that listens without her saying, "Can you please listen to what I'm saying to you?" Then she feels like she's nagging you. It becomes this big thing, and then you feel like she's your mom, and it's just a horrible situation that could have easily been avoided if you would have just listened in the first place. Number 2, we have be a man. And by that, I mean be a gentleman. Be confident, be secure in who you are. All these videos out here that are telling you to treat her like crap and to not be a gentleman, those are simply not true. Every girl deep down wants you to be a gentleman to her. If she says she's cold, offer to give her your jacket. My boyfriend still does this, and we've been dating for 3 years. And while most of the times I say no because I don't want him to be cold, it's just nice that he offers and I know that he cares about me. So like I said, give her your jacket, open doors for her, be a gentleman. But another thing that goes into being a man and not just being a gentleman is being confident in who you are, being secure, not being insecure. No girl wants to be with a guy that's insecure, so confidence is number 1. Every girl wants to be with someone confident. Insecurity is not attractive on anyone, so be a confident guy, know what you bring to the table, and know your worth, because if you do that, you always win. This also includes admitting when you did something wrong. Don't let your ego get in the way of everything you do. Don't be afraid to apologize. Don't be afraid to admit when you maybe did something wrong. Be a man, be confident, own up to when you do something wrong. Just be a man, guys. Number 3, attention. This one is probably the most obvious. Every girl wants attention in some way, shape, or form. Of course, this is going to vary on how they want it from woman to woman, but every girl wants attention. So included underneath attention is feeling special. So surprise her with flowers, take her out to dinner. Especially if you've been dating someone for a long time, I think this can be a lot easier to neglect. When you first start dating someone, it's really new and fun and exciting, and you're constantly going on dates and taking them out, and everything's just really fun. But the longer you date someone, you get more comfortable. You guys maybe don't do as many fun things, and you're just more comfortable, sitting on the couch or watching a show together, something like that. But so often I think we can be with someone and not actually be paying attention to them or listening to them, like I mentioned in number 1. So pay attention, listen to what she's saying, be physically with her instead of you both are sitting there on your phones. You're next to each other, but you're not really with each other. So really here, never stop dating her. Keep the spark going. Like I said, this is much easier in the beginning of a relationship. I think this is something that can become more challenging the longer that you're with someone, but the relationships that are healthy and work out are the ones that keep it fun, keep it exciting, and keep that spark going. This is why girls post photos on Instagram. They want attention. They want people to like their photo. They want that validation from people. And often you'll notice if she's not getting it from you, she's gonna try to get it from other people. And that just creates a whole nother world of problems that could be easily avoided if you just give her attention. Number 4, we have take care of yourself. So just like you wouldn't walk up to her and say, you're getting a little bit fat, I think you should maybe work out. She's not gonna say that to you either, okay? So take care of yourself, move your body, be active, be healthy. I'm not saying that you need a 6-pack. I've said this before. You don't need to have a body like a Greek god, but take care of yourself. It's the only body you have. So take care of yourself means a lot more than just the way that you look. This can be, your passions, how happy you are, doing things that make you feel fulfilled. I think when you're doing all of these things, including working out, eating healthy, getting haircuts, looking your best, feeling your best, it all makes you the best version of you, which is the most important thing here. You should be actively trying to be the best version of yourself. Every girl wants to be with a guy that is actively trying to make himself better, whether that be working out, a skincare routine, dressing nice, being passionate about something, loving their job, just being overall happy. Every girl wants to be with a guy that has those qualities, so keep that in mind. But like I said, she's not gonna come up to you and tell you, you've been sitting on the couch and not working out and you've gained a lot of weight and I don't really find you attractive anymore. She's not gonna say that because chances are she's still gonna love you regardless of all of those things. Looks are skin deep, looks fade. That is not what I'm saying here. That's not the main priority. I think it really is just being the best version of you, and that doesn't only benefit you, but it also benefits the people around you. They say that you are the most like the 5 people that you surround yourself with. So surrounding yourself with people that are like-minded and also being the best versions of themselves benefits you. And so if your partner is doing those things, it makes you want to do them too. And last but not least, number 5 is make the first move. So if you've been talking to a girl and you're getting to the more physical part of your relationship, make the first move. Be bold, be confident. Girls love a confident guy. This could also be if you see an attractive girl and you make a first move and go up to her and ask for her number. Do it, guys. The worst thing that she can say is no. Rejection is normal. It's okay for girls to say no. It's okay to be rejected sometimes. I think this is something that as humans we have a very hard time with. I hate rejection. I know what that feels like. It's horrible, but it feels better knowing that you tried rather than you didn't do anything at all. So another thing about making the first move is that girls like to feel wanted. They like to feel like you're into them, that you really want to be with them, and that you're physically attracted to them. So make the first move. This shows that you're confident. This shows that you know who you are, you know what you bring to the table, and that you're into her. And every girl wants to feel like you really like her. Girls like to feel wanted. They like to feel heard. They like to feel listened to. They like attention. So this one kind of rounds out all of them. Just make the first move. I think also a lot of times girls can be a little bit more timid and shy when it comes to this kind of thing because we just expect men to do it. So when you don't do it, sometimes you just miss out on an opportunity that could have been there if you would have just been bold, been confident in yourself, as you should be, and make that first move. So guys, that is all I have for today. If you liked this video or found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for when I release new content. Let me know in the comments down below if you think that I missed anything. What are some things that you think girls really want but they don't ask for that maybe I missed? Would love to hear what you guys think down below. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Courtney Christine Ryan. I love connecting with all of you guys on there as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.